Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Takes and Tricks. Today I'm going to unboxing my first and foremost product, Acer Predator Triton 300 with the model number PH315-52. It is a 10th-gen i5 model with the graphics card 1650 Ti and 8GB RAM and other specs are given into the screen. You can see this. Also, I provide all the specs and the product link into the description box, and you can check this out from this link also. Though my product is hanging into this box, you can hear that, right? I can hear it. So, without wasting this time, let's start this unboxing video. Look into this box, guys. It's quite larger. I'm cutting with my knife. Don't laugh, because it's mainly a paper cutter knife, but I am using here to open this product. So guys, see the next what will comes out. I think this is the black box, the Predator Triton 300 box it is. So guys, look into this. You can see the Predator logo on here, and also you can see the seal product it is. So it's a genuine one. Now I'm breaking this seal and opening this box. You can see another one box is present inside the large box. I think it's a laptop one, and yes, it's a laptop one. Size is little bit similar. But can you see the logo? It's glowing. With that, they provide another adapter to us for a laptop adapter, and also a love letter kind of thing. It's a manual. You can read all of this thing.
But I have no interest to read that one, just read it.
So okay guys, let's pack up and focus to the main box. It's a charger, I think. Yes, it's a laptop charger with a laptop charger cable and battery adapter. I'm showing you one by one. It's a 50 to 60 Hz with 2.5 ampere 240 volt charger, and you can say it's a 180 watt hour charger. So okay, you can see charging cable also. It's quite good. So leave aside and go for the next box. It's the box logo, but still it's shiny. It's awesome.
Here also they provide a seal with a Acer tag, right? So it's 100% genuine. I can say it's a genuine product. You can see another seal. So okay, let's break it. Now I'm opening this box, guys. Wow. So okay, I'm opening it from the back side. Packaging is pretty good, right? If you think it's good, please leave a comment in below, and I also want to know. Guys, look into this. This is the product, the Acer Predator Triton 300. Look guys, this is the Warzone RGB keyboard, and also here is a Predator Triton 300 tag. You can see the main things is 3 SSD slot, so it's awesome. And 10 Gen i5 and 144Hz 3 millisecond response.
So now it's the time to see the ports. Guys, here has one USB 3.2 second gen port with power off charging, one USB 3.2 second gen Type-C port with HDMI and mini HDMI port. In back, here has power supply port, and on the other side has one Kingston lock, two USB 3.2 fast chain port with a 3.5mm female headphone port.
And the LAN port is also there.
Let's try to power on. Oh, it's not running. Okay guys, so what the things is, if you want to run this, then please read the paper which they provided to you with this laptop. They say if you want to open this laptop for the first time, you must plug it on, else it will not open. So okay guys, thank you to see my unboxing. Okay, and I will make lots of review video on this product and also another few product which will newly launch. So please, till the time, stay with us, and please like, share and subscribe if you like these types of video, and make the bell button on for the fastest notification. So thank you guys, thank you to all of you.